Welcome back. All right, so let's get started. This property is Fourplex in Stockton. I type the address here. Year built is 1992. Square footage 3,200 here. Okay, and the asking is 6500. Interest rate you can 6.75 today. Down payment 20%, live at 20%. Long term 30 years. Insurance, if you don't know, you can going through here the bottom of Zillow. It have an estimate, okay? But you should have insurance broker in your team. See home. I think 217 is kind of low for fourplex. Okay, I'm gonna put 350 at least. Okay, times 12. So 4,200. Your way can go back here and change. Property tax 750, 1.38 tax rate. This Stockton, if you don't know, you can search here. I just searched the rental here and tax rate in Stockton, California. Okay, 1.25 local district property tax at 1.27. Okay, so we're gonna go 1.27. Okay, all right. So here per year 8255 no HOA, believe. Yep. All right, so to support asking price of $50,000, the mortgage including tax and insurance would be $4,441 and fourplex. The rent rate is, I think I put it here, 1,200 to 1,500 per month for 2 bed, 1 bath. You can go back and read here in description. They mentioned here is a 2 bed, 1 bath here, roughly 800 square feet each, and a fourplex. Okay, so I was going with 1.0, 120, 120, 120. All income, just leave it 0 for now. So as of now, it's past DSCR ratio 1, but not exactly ideal. Like I mentioned before, ideally a 1.25 to help you cover for operating expenses here. I always, even full occupancy, I always put 5% to leave that. Property management, if self managed, you still should put something on there. And if you have actual property management, so just put property management fee into maintenance. I leave this one, the condition. I can't really see it, just only one picture outside. So I would just leave maintenance 5 and then capex just 10 and keep it 10. You probably need some work there. Okay. All right. So after annual operating expenses are overall here require $14,400 gross income minus expenses. So your NOI at $43,200. Cap rate is 6.6. Your cash flow is negative. Even though you passed the SCR, but your cash flow negative. Okay. Remember that I mentioned is 1.25. It's ideal for you to cover operating expenses right here. So that would why it's cash flow negative. But for lender, that's past the SCR requirement. But as an investor, you should always put consideration for what expenses that you will end up pay cover after. Okay, alrighty. So move on to the next, the return projection, the rent growth. I would say to be conservative, to start with. You always can add more, but if you over project, and turned out to be you have to come out of your pocket more, that's not a good scenario you want to go with. Okay, so I just leave one, appreciation the growth one, cost of sale 5, that's fine. The Stockton's insurance to be okay for it. Right, take it out. So right here's the risk calculation of rent control or earthquake, especially in California, and insurance market hardening exposure. Deal score for this one. And cap rate, okay, I meet a 7 cap and I'm target for 10 on 10. Or if you need catch the return quickly, you can put 15%. That's your requirement. Minimum and DSCR requirement for the lender if you 1.25. Okay, you asking would be, see, for one DSCR here 1.25. There's a price for you, but if it one, actually you can offer more. But I will 1.25 here. Okay, so my price here, that will be 540. That will be my offer. I think that quite makes sense. And that's how I would do it. So I hope this helped. Any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My contact in description. I also have a link for DSCR that you can download for free. Alrighty. See you.